Hello and welcome to this brand new video on the meandering trails. Today is our 4th day in Malaysia and the 2nd day in Mabul. Like yesterday, we start the day with some glorious time lapses and photos of the sunrise. Hope you enjoy this video. Today, like most days in Mabul, was majorly spent diving. We did 3 dives, 2 of which were off the Kapalai Islands and 1 off the Mabul Island. We spotted some gorgeous nudibranchs, crocodile fish, lots of turtles, porcupine fish, lionfish, morays and many other beautiful creatures. Once we completed the 3 amazing dives, we spent the rest of the evening taking a lot of pictures and relaxing. We had an early dinner and hit the sack early. We had an early morning boat the next day taking us to none other than the Sipadan Islands, our main reason for coming to Mabul. Our next video will take you through our adventures in Sipadan. Do like and share our video and subscribe to the channel. This is Harneet and Amartya signing off from the Meandering Trails. Have a great day.